This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. Bright, cheerful, immaculate and nicely furnished. Featuring an open floor plan with a great room and split bedrooms. Den is currently set up as a bedroom with a queen-size bed in it. Walk to the community clubhouse to enjoy the amazing resort-style amenities, which include a lagoon-style pool, restaurant, state-of-the-art fitness room, paddle boating, canoeing, kayaking, etc. Play bocce or tennis, ride your bikes or jog along the mini paths. Sit and relax on your lanai while enjoying the lake view. This home is only a short drive to Marco Island or downtown Naples 5th Avenue for fabulous dining, entertainment, shopping and white sand beaches. Also being offered as an annual rental beginning October 15, 2023 at $3,800 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.